Hey guys, guess what finally came? Today. This. Didn't really come today. Came like 4 months ago, and I filmed the video then. I never got around to filming this bit. Sure, you have no clue what this is. This, it's a lamp slash an iPhone charger slash a Apple Watch charger slash it comes with a backup battery that it has a nice little charging spot for. I ordered it last year, before I ordered my watch. I knew it was an Indiegogo campaign, I knew it was supposed to take a while, but they originally said June. Okay, June comes along, not here. They push it back. Push it back. Finally, it comes after, I think, a year and a week to the date, I think. I had it written down somewhere, but then I forgot. I was very passionately angry about how long it took me to get it. And I'm sure if I pulled up the emails, I could find out when I purchased it, when I got it, how angry I was. I don't really need to be angry though. I paid for it, I got it took longer than I expected, sure. It functions, it does what it needs to do. If you're if you're wanting to purchase one and you can purchase it and get it, I don't know if they're at the point where they're able to ship immediately, but if they are, go ahead, buy it. I'm not buying them from them again, but that's just personal choice. thanks for watching. Don't forget to go down there, comment, like, subscribe, favorite. See you next time.